What's up, guys? It's Cashman coming to
Snapbacks and tattoos, snapbacks and tattoos.
here from Wake Up Wednesday with the Shannon Beecham. Find her at Shannon Nicole. She just spilled her water. Chug, 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 chug.
What are you cooking up for me in the kitchen, Cash?
I don't know. Oatmeal?
No, what are you cooking up in me? What are you cooking up in me?
We're still recording. What? Cooking up in you.
Oh, watch out. Okay, you're
Okay,
good.
here we go.
Yeah.
Ready? Ready? Yeah, that's something.
This is, yeah. Part of the... Baby, this is for the... my mom taught you. It's for the espresso.
I know, Big Ed teach me how to use this. I'm excited to have my own, though. Oh, my gosh. Okay.
Do you like this song?
Yeah.
Because
We're making
like
a lot.
therapist.
Like,
Okay.
oh my god, it smells new. Why would I smell an espresso machine?
Look at all the water storage you have actually in this thing. You have more than in my old one.
That is beautiful. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, that's so cool. Look, the milk frothers right here.
Yeah, we'll move it out.
Look how easy it says making espresso, milk frothing.
It's like an intro one. We'll get.
Oh my gosh.
We're using it. So when it's being used, it's down. Okay?
Okay, when it's being used.
So you're using a spoon. They actually give you a spoon, which is really nice because they actually have it measured. So it's like measured correctly. So you don't have to like. I actually am going to use it.
How do you flatten it now?
I'll show you. I don't want this. I love this espresso. This is the one we have at home. Yours is instant. Do you have this one? Too? This is a tam. You press down, and then when you come up, you're gonna go one, up.
Oh, very clean.
Yeah. Push and then let up.
Then lightly.
And then up.
You're right, because look how it went around. Wait, you made that easy. How's this?
Perfect. So
Okay.
now we're gonna put it in.
This part I'm excited about.
So yeah, hold on to this because it's. This hard. Good. I think that's good. Here, can you hold this?
Whoa, you really pulled that. Whoa.
Okay. Wait, I might have to. I don't know if it's coming out in two or in one. Go.
Oh, it's like 190 degrees.
Is it going? I'm confused.
It's. I think it's working its way up.
Yeah, it's the first time. I have to give it time.
Give it time. You gotta stretch its legs.
I don't know though. It should stop.
Yeah, whoa.
This is actually. I got the perfect stuff.
Oh, it's so pretty.
And you're gonna have to move all that. You know it's a good espresso.
It's so pretty.
So you have to make sure you're watching it. You can't just leave it go.
And it's gonna come out of both?
Yeah, I mean, I'm glad that I'm glad I got those.
Yeah, that looks really pretty.
That's a double shot of espresso because it's one espresso in first, and then you're just gonna throw this on top.
For a latte? So
flat
espresso
white.
first,
Yeah.
then that.
A flat white, you would take a spoon, and then you don't want, it's basically a latte, but no foam. See how this is foam?
Mm-hmm.
They don't want foam. So you would literally put the spoon and then just use a latte, like I said. I don't know. I'm gonna get you another cup. You can go like this. And like swirl it. Or like this with like, you know how they have that? Like this. Have you ever seen drinks like made like that?
Mm-hmm.
This.
Okay.
I would start with one.
One. All right, zoom in on this. Ready? Like how you gonna go?
Oh, you did it! You put it in. That was a fail. You gotta put that in like the video. Can we make that into like an ending?
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
One, you do the next
All
one.
right. Ready? Let's go into. Let's go in here.
There you go.
I had to go faster. I was.
There you go.
Dude.
And now here, finish with the milk, quick, because it's hot. It's gonna melt the ice.
Pull the shit and she's. Look how it goes down
Whoa.
there. Hey. Whoa.
It looks pretty. Add more. See if it does more.
Yeah.
The top, yeah. Looks good. You can mix it.
Wow, it tastes so good. Good.
Oh, baby, we need